Namaste and Suprabhatam. Let us begin with an active and a relaxing day with yoga practices. चलिए आज के योग सत्र की शुरुआत करते हैं, उसको प्रारंभ करते हैं. प्रारंभ में हम प्रार्थना, we will do our prayers. So fold your hands in Namaskar Mudra. Close your eyes gently. Feel the touch of your palms with your heart. Keep a beautiful smile on your face, on your lips, forehead wrinkle free. And when we do Namaskar Mudra, we not only connect with ourselves, we connect to the entire universe. यथा पिंडे तथा ब्रह्मांडे. Breathe in and out deeply. Feel your heartbeat. And let's begin with the prayers to the Almighty. First, we will chant 3 times Omkar. Breathe in deeply for that. Om. Breathe in again. Om. Breathe in again. Om Sahana Vavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karvavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu Mavid Vishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Slowly rub your palms together and put on your eyes. In case you have worn spectacles, take out your spectacles and do it. Now slowly spread your legs out, unfold your legs in Dandasan. Shithil Dandasan, legs apart, and just relax. We will start with butterfly, loosening our thighs and hamstring muscles. So bring both your feet together, folding your knees. Hold them with clasped fingers, hold your toes and start moving your thighs up and down 50 to 100 times. Butterfly position. Very good for your abdominal health also. Good for releasing the lower part of the body, especially the thighs. Those who have problems in sitting on the floor, if you do this position daily, it will be easier for you. It's a very good preparatory exercise for Padmasana as well. Continue 50 to 100 rounds to get a better effect. Slowly stop and stay there. Once butterfly is still, it is known as Bhadra Asana. See that your backbone is straight. You keep on clasping your toes with both the hands and close your eyes. Bhadra means gentle, Bhadra means perfect. This asana is the basis of all yoga because it stimulates the Mooladhara chakra. It is also preparatory technique for Kundalini. It keeps the spine healthy, your pelvis healthy. Slowly release and come back to leg stretch position or Shithil Dandasana. Yoga, if done gently, has a beautiful effect on your body, mind, and emotions. Try to keep your eyes closed, and after every practice, just relax to rejuvenate and reinforce the exercises. From here, join the legs again. Stretch out your toes, ankles, front, back, front, back, front, back, front, back. Relax. Now we shall come to standing position. From here we will go to few loosening techniques so that we can achieve that flexibility to do our asanas. So very simple techniques, starting with the neck movements up and down. Move your neck up, down, up, down, up stretch, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Relax. Now turning the neck sideways, left and right. Start left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Continue and feel the stretch on the either side of the neck. You can go a bit faster now as we are doing loosening. Very good. Relax. Now we will bend the neck left and right towards the shoulders. Start. Start slowly and then increase the speed. Every time you move your neck sideways, feel the stretch on the opposite side. Relax. Now we will go for shoulder loosening. So start moving your shoulders, keeping your elbows tight from back to front 5 times. Feel the pressure on your scapula. Anti-clockwise, ulta, front to back. Relax. After each exercise, give 10 seconds gap. Now we will do hand exercise, releasing the entire hands, wrist and fingers. So throw your hands outside. Throw, back, throw, back. When you bring back the hands, it should be in fist form. Throw, open the palms. Very good exercise for the hands, shoulders, bicep, triceps, everything. Relax. So we have completed the upper part. Middle part relaxation for the spine. Put your palms on your waist. Keep your legs 1 feet apart and start rotating your spine like a churning wheel. चक्की की तरह गोल गोल घुमाना है 10 बार clockwise, 10 times clockwise, 10 times anti-clockwise. Relax. You have to complete 10 rounds clockwise and 10 anti-clockwise to get the effect. Don't give shortcuts. Relax now. Bring your legs together, keep your hands by the side or whatever you want. Now we will loosen up our legs so you can throw your legs outside alternately. Please begin. So bring your knee up and throw. Up and throw, 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 up and throw. Relax. So that was for legs. So quickly for the toes and the heels. So we will stand on our toes and take our hands up simultaneously. Start. Swing your hands. Enjoy the exercise. Relax. Take your hands behind you. Close your eyes. Feel the breath. Let's chant one Om. Breathe in deeply. Om. From here we will go for asanas. So our first asana that we will be practicing today will be Tad Asana or the tree pose. So for that, kindly bring your legs together, hands by the side of the body. Now slowly interlock your fingers of both the hands in front of your chest. Breathe in deeply and rise up on your toes and try to balance. Do not close your eyes in Tadasana. Up and up I go. I stand tall and confident and rooted. That's what tree is all about, Tadasana. Standing tall. If you lose your balance, you can take your legs a bit further away from each other. Look in front and concentrate. It's a confidence giving asana, Tadasana. Not only stretches the entire body, psychophysical effect is equally strong. For children, it increases height. Slowly come down and relax. When you relax, you take your legs apart, you take your hands behind and hold one wrist with the other and hang your neck freely, front or back or side, whichever you want. From here we will go to Ardha Kati Chakrasana, half waist wheel position. So bring your legs together. Again a standing asana. We will start asanas with right side. Every asana has complementary. Since this is a sideway asana, we will do both from the right and the left side. Please enjoy your asanas. We will start with the right hand. Please observe and do along with. Start taking your right hand up slowly. And when you come to 90 degrees, turn the position of palms upwards and keep on taking your palms while inhaling up. See that your ears touch your biceps. Pull up your hands and very slowly turn to the other side, bending your waist and keeping the other hand not tight but free. See that your elbow is straight, your fingers are joined, and you don't move forward. It is a side bending asana. You can count 30 seconds to 1 minute in this position. An excellent asana for the liver health. It activates our liver. Slowly breathe in, come back. Position number 3. And 4. Breathe out. Slowly take your hands down at 90 degrees. Again changing the position of palm downwards. Very good synchronization. Yes, down. And relax. Come to relaxation position. Feel the right side of your body is beautifully stimulated and stretched. Now we will do the complementary from the left side. Again bring your legs together. Ready? So left side hand goes up in the same way. 1. Inhale and bring your hands to 90 degrees. Change the position of the palms. Continue going up, inhaling deeply. Stretch up your hand and move on to the right side, bending your waist to the right side. See that your elbows are tight, touching your biceps, fingers are together. Stay here for 30 seconds to 1 minute to get the fuller effect. If you keep your hands tight, you will feel tired, so the hand which is down should be very loose. Slowly come back. Inhale, now exhale, come down slowly. And relax. Keep your legs apart, hands behind you, hang your neck freely and feel the beautiful stretch on both sides of your body. We shall complete our session for today with prayers. Join your palms again in Namaskar Mudra, thanking the Almighty for the wonderful body, mind and emotions He has given to us, offering our gratitude. Om Asato Ma Sadgamaya Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amritangamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Rub your palms together. Put them on your eyes without rubbing your eyes and give a nice massage, because a very beautiful energy is created. Our palms are having the nerve endings. They are all stimulated. Thank you so much. Have a great day ahead. Now sit in Sukhasana. Today we have done Tadasana and Ardhakati Chakrasana in standing position. Now we will do Bhramari in sitting position to reinforce our relaxation more. Bhramari is the humming bee sound. So close your mouth. We will inhale first, and while exhaling, we will do the Bhramari. So inhale deeply. Breathe in again. Breathe in again. Again, breathe in. Breathe in again. Breathe in again. Feel the vibrations of Bhramari in your head area.